Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Temu haul to share with you. If you are new to Temu, I do have a Temu code, or if you reinstated your Temu app, I do share, and I also have a $100 bundle, so go ahead and use that. So let's get ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the dies first. I do have a few to share. So let's go ahead and look at the goodness that I have for you today. So the first one is a flower die. So this one, is it a one piece? Yeah, so this, let me see, no. This actually has, okay, the inside. So the inside does come out. So the inside is a two piece. The inside is, so it is a stitch one. Like I said, the inside does come off, and so does that. So that's actually a cute tulip. So I have that one. And the next one is another flower one. Okay, and this one looks like a lot of layering. I believe this one was that was like a sunflower. Like this goes on top of that one, this one goes on that one, and this one goes on that one, I believe. But I will have a I'll have a picture in the video of this one so you can see how this one looks. But I thought this was like a layering piece one. I'll have to try this one out. But this was a flower also, another flower die. This one I thought was a pretty cute, cool one. This one here, oh, this was actually two. Okay, this one here is like little, I want to say little whimsical stars. You know how you have in the background just like little sparkles type of thing? So this is what that was. And I'll have a picture too of this one also. But I thought this was really cool. So I got this. So I have never seen this one before. So I got these two. And I'll have that in the video also. I mean, I'll have a photo, picture in the video, so you can see that one. So one of it's a butterfly, and then you get two stars. One's a circle, and one's hearts. So that was, I saw that, I was like, yeah, I needed that. This one is just the frame. This one has, okay, so the flowers in the middle comes out, okay? So you do have, this one's the main frame here, then you have another piece here, and then another. So you got three pieces plus the flowers. That's real nice, I like that. I'll cut some of these. Now let me know in the comments, would you like to see shorts or would you like to see actual videos of me cutting this stuff? Let me know, because I did do a short of the rabbit bow. So let me know in the comments below, would you like to see videos of me cutting this stuff, or would you like to see shorts of it? Okay, this one is some jam, strawberry jam. Yeah. Okay, so here we have, okay, so we got the jam here, then you have the lid that goes there, and here goes a little label for that, and then you got all the strawberries that you could put into there. You even have a tag for that. Now this is kind of small. And then you have a bowl here. I don't know what that is. So yeah, this is kind of small. So the one I've seen before was yeah, this makes a little tiny jar. I'll have to cut this to see how this one cuts. So yeah, so that's a little tiny jam jar for that one. Alright, this one here is I believe it was a stamp and die set. Yeah, so you have your different dies, and this is another little zigzag type of stamp. Okay, so here goes let me move this out the way. So here goes a little, like a paper airplane, and then you do have the paper airplane dies, and then the little lines to cut off with that. That's actually pretty cute. I like that. So that's for that one. That's that die. Then this one here's for a banner. This is a banner die. This one's actually pretty cool. So this one you could actually put the straw in the middle, put a paper straw, and then you have your two banner, which folds there, and then you have the backer piece, and then you do have your little layering pieces. You even have the stripes, and you have extras. So this one's a good size too. Here's that one. I do have another flower. This is a sunflower. Look at that. It does have the die for the center. I gotta cut this one out. I want to see how that one looks. Okay, and then this one here, it's a rubber ducky shaker. I saw that. I thought it was cute. So I got those. Those are for my dies. The next thing I want to show you, these are, I want to say like a brooch. Yeah, they're brooch, but I'm going to go ahead and use them for something else. But these are vintage brooch. Let me know in the comments if you're into the vintage look. But I do have an idea for these. Look at that. Look at the sparkle on those. I think those are so pretty. I might do something a little different with the front just to bring them out a little bit. But yeah, so I got those two. I end up getting another little figure ring. This time I got like a Hello Kitty Sanrio one. Let's see what I got this time. Oh, this is pretty cute. I like that. Look how cute is that. Now this, I'm planning to, I'm not keeping it. I'm going to use it for DIY. But look how cute that is. How cute is that? Now I forgot his name. What is his name? That's Pachaco, right? Yeah, I think he's Pachaco. Let's see. Pom-Pom, Cinnamon, Pachaco. Yeah. Okay, so that's who I got. But he's a good size. But yeah, I'm planning to do something with him on DIY. So that's the blind box I got from that. Put that right there. Alright, I have some charms here. Actually, I got two different kinds. Yeah. And this is Capybara. And I hauled the other version. I think it was different ones that I hauled in the previous hauls. But this is a sakura flower type of capybara. So I got that one. How cute is those? Now if you go to TikTok, he's a big thing on TikTok. So when I saw it on Temu, I went ahead and got me a set. I got that one, and that one is to cover flower. I don't know if this is the same thing. Let me look, because that shop had different variety. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, see, that one's a mix, and this one is more of the fruit. Yeah, this is another mix. I got that one too. Actually, let me get my plate so you can see it better. Yeah, this one's a mixture also. Look at that. How cute is that? That's that one. And if you ever go to TikTok, that's you can find him a lot on there. Okay. Oh, another thing I have now. These are charms. Now I was thinking about 4th of July, and these are USA metal charms. Look at that. How pretty are those? And this shop had a mixture, so if you want just one or the mix, they also had those. So that's another one. And then this one, I want to say, okay, this one's a girly charm, and it was all in pink. I believe you could get this in purple, blue, and some other colors, but of course I like pink, so I got this in pink. Okay, it's all in hot pink, of course. I didn't see the light pink, so I got in dirt pink. There's one more in there. Yeah, and a heart. Got that one. Okay, the next thing I have are these. They're like rhinestone. I don't think they're adhesive, but they're like, you can glue it to projects, which I'm going to use it for. I forgot what I wanted to use it for paper crafting, like when I make butterflies and stuff. So let me show it to you on here. So I got this in purple. Okay, all of this is like a trim. So I got the purple. Okay, and you get a yard. You get 1 yard of it. So I got the purple one. The blue. That's like a AB. The AB. Of course, I got the pink. Look how pretty that is. Okay, got the pink. And then look at how pretty the yellow, the green. Look how pretty that is. Okay, so that's a green. And then the next thing I have here is I have some flatbacks, and oh, I already have a broken one. And it's a spring. Uh-oh, I have two broken ones. So my flowers are broken, of course. So I have to get a refund on that. But there were some flowers on there. Look how pretty these are. I'll have to order this again. Look at that. So this one would have been the sunflower would have been like that. Look how pretty that is. So yeah, I had two broken ones. They did have that one. I'll put that there. But yeah, that is, oh, not yet. Not yet. So I'll put that there. Alright, so the last thing I have today, I got two of the tweezers, which I needed because I don't know what happened to the good ones I had. And I needed it for the, you know, when I do the little embellishments. I got that one. They didn't have it in pink, so I was able to get in my second favorite color, which is blue. I got the curved one, and I also have it in the straight one. That. So I got those two. As was together, so you get one, you buy one for the price of you buy two for the price of one. There you go. But yeah, that is for my haul for today. I'll have all the links below. Make sure you like the video. Do leave a comment below and let me know what's your favorite. Let me know if you do want to see me cut the dies in a video, or if you want to see a short. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.